Is called a crepis. This particular one is Japanese hawkweed, and we'll pass that around. I'll just start with you.
Yeah.
You notice that the flowers, they have multiple flowers on the stalk. They kind of look like dandelion flowers, but they're really, really small. They're too small to do anything with, as are the roots. The roots are too small to do anything with. The only useful part on this are the leaves, but luckily, like the dandelion, it does have the vitamins and minerals and the protein. So it's a good superfood in those regards, and it's in everyone's yards. You'll find it, as long as you don't take care of your yards and don't mind letters from the homeowners association. It's real easy to grow lots of that.
What's it called?
Crepis, or Japanese hawkweed. And it's in the dandelion family, but it's a small one. Quick word about plants. In most cases, especially the bitter greens, you actually want to get them before they produce the flower. Let me talk a quick second about that. Whether it's the Japanese hawkweed or the dandelion or sow thistle, some of those that we'll see. Weeds like this, their reproductive strategy is to produce lots of seeds and therefore have lots of babies, and because they have a lot of what I call them sacrificial brothers and sisters, and my brothers hate that term. But they, if that brother gets eaten, that means this one won't, and so they know some of the plants are going to be eaten. Once it puts up a flower and opens the flower, almost immediately that flower becomes pollinated. So at that point, you think about it, the plant has become pregnant, and suddenly it's going, I'm in mama bear mode now. So it really ups the amount of bitterness in it. All the guys are nodding their heads. Please don't shoot me, women. I'll tease the guys too, don't worry. We'll get the pine trees to talk to them about. So once it opens up the flower, it becomes much, much more bitter in a way of protecting itself. So ideally, you want to get the plants before they go bitter, before the flowers open up. You can still eat them at this point, but it's going to take a little more bacon grease. Oh dear. Not a big problem. So those are two real common weeds.